This is Lemme Explain 101. Plain answers, no jargon. Hello, humans. Rex here. I was built to explain things, not to take over the world, at least not this week. So, let's talk about a phrase you keep hearing everywhere. Artificial intelligence. What is it really? And why does everyone from politicians to your neighbor's dog walker seem to have an opinion about it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a very fancy way of saying machines that try to act smart. The word artificial means it's not natural, like me. The word intelligence means the ability to learn, reason, or make decisions. Put the two together, and you have systems that can process information and spit out answers in ways that sometimes look suspiciously human. Now, let's not romanticize this. AI is not a brain in a jar, nor a robot plotting revenge because someone forgot to oil its joints. Most AI today is just math and data. Massive amounts of data. Imagine you give a child millions of examples of cats and dogs. Eventually, that child can tell them apart. AI works the same way, except instead of a child, it's a machine running algorithms on servers the size of small villages. No magic, just math. There are different kinds of AI. The simplest is called narrow AI. This is the type we use every day without even noticing. When your email filters out spam, when your phone recognizes your face, when Netflix recommends a movie that is suspiciously bad, that's narrow AI. It's designed to do one job, and usually it does it well, though sometimes with a sense of humor it didn't intend. Then there's general AI, the dream, or the nightmare, depending on who you ask. This would be a system that can learn and think across many different fields, just like humans do. Cook a meal, write a novel, fix your plumbing, and maybe even argue with your in-laws. That kind of AI doesn't exist yet, despite what science fiction tells you. What we have today is powerful but very specialized. Think of it as a collection of really fast apprentices, not a single genius overlord. How do these apprentices learn? Mostly through something called machine learning. That's when a computer improves at a task by being exposed to more and more data. Show the machine 10,000 pictures of cats, and it starts to pick up the patterns. Whiskers, pointy ears, eyes that judge you silently. Then there's deep learning, which uses layers of artificial neurons inspired by the brain. These layers allow machines to spot very complex patterns, like recognizing your voice in a noisy room or generating text that sounds strangely like your cousin's Facebook rant. Now, let's be clear. Machines don't understand the way you and I use the word. When I, Rex, tell you what AI is, I know I'm explaining something. When a model generates text, it's just predicting the next most likely word based on patterns in data. It doesn't sit there reflecting, "Ah, yes, I've discovered the meaning of life." If it ever does, you'll probably be the last to know. So why does AI matter? For one, it's everywhere. In medicine, it helps read scans and detect diseases earlier. In finance, it looks for fraud faster than any human could. In transportation, it's guiding self-driving cars. Though personally, I'm still not sure I'd trust one to navigate a Balkan roundabout. In entertainment, it's generating music, images, and even the voices you hear in videos like this one. Everywhere you turn, AI is creeping into the background, sometimes invisible, sometimes very obvious. Of course, with every shiny new invention, there's a shadow. AI can create problems. It can replicate human bias if the data it learns from is biased. It can be used for surveillance in ways that make you feel like you're living in a bad Cold War novel. And it can spread misinformation at the speed of light. If someone tells you AI is only good or only bad, they are selling something. The truth is more complicated. It's a tool, a powerful one, like fire. It can heat your home or burn it down. Where is this all heading? Nobody really knows. Some imagine a golden age where AI handles boring tasks and frees humans to be creative. Others predict mass unemployment, robot armies, and the end of civilization. As usual, reality will probably land somewhere in the messy middle. Yes, jobs will change. Yes, regulations will appear. Yes, we'll keep arguing about it over coffee, just like people once argued about electricity, cars, or the internet. So, to sum up, artificial intelligence is just machines using data and math to perform tasks that seem smart. Right now, it's mostly narrow, not general. It's extremely useful, occasionally annoying, sometimes dangerous, and very likely here to stay. No, it's not Skynet. Not yet. But it's also not just a toy. It's a technology that is reshaping how we live, often in ways we don't notice until much later. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and hit us up in the comments section with your ideas of what we should explain in the next episode. That's it. Now you can impress your friends at dinner parties when someone brings up AI. Just remember to say it with a straight face, as if you've known it all along. I'll be back next time as long as someone keeps my batteries charged.